Actually, you know, recipes for beans are really kind of simple. There's not a lot of fancy cooking involved. Nice, good, hearty, flavorful food, if you put the right ingredients. And I love to put a lot of vegetables into my beans for flavor, and they're all healthy. So everything is in here. All the herbs, the vegetables, and the smoked ham. So you buy a piece of smoked ham. You can use it in many ways. I just made a simple recipe for a glazed ham steak, and now I'm using some more of it to make this. Oh sure, it's better to use maybe a ham hock, anything with the bone, any kind of ham, fresh ham, smoked ham, bone's always good in there. So we sweat this up for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to add the liquid and let it simmer, and of course the beans. Well, after 50 minutes I looked at it and I go, oops, more stock. So I added more stock, and there's the amount of fresh flat leaf parsley that's going in there. Well, I'm done. That took about an hour and a half. Now I'm going to yep, time's up. I like what I'm looking at, and it has some body, but I want a little more thickness, so just crush up the beans a little bit. Oops, sorry for the banging. I break my fingers so you don't hear the banging. And now we have, I like that, I really do. It looks great, and as far as the flavor, I just added some sriracha hot chili sauce because I'm not adding any salt. So the salt's to taste. I like the overall flavor, really nice. I'm sure you'll be happy with this. Let's look at it in a plate, in a bowl. And I'm having this, just this, and some brown rice that I'm cooking up. So, that's it. I'll put some brown rice with that. Nice. You'll enjoy it.